Hello guys, I am Akra. Today we are going to make this responsive login page with HTML and Tailwind CSS in under 5 minutes. Let's begin. First, open empty folder in Versus Code. Open new terminal. First, we need to set up Tailwindcss. First, install Tailwindcss via npm by running this command: npm install -d tailwindcss. Then create your tailwind.config.js file by running npx tailwindcss init. Add the paths to all of your template files in your tailwind.config.js file. Then create src folder. Inside the folder, create input.css file. Then add the @Tailwind directives for each of Tailwind's layers to your CSS file. Run the CLI tool to scan your template files for classes and build your CSS. Then create index.html inside the src folder to start using Tailwind in your HTML. Add your compiled CSS file to the head. Now we done the Tailwind setup. Let's structure the HTML. First, create the container div, then the login div. Inside the login div will be h1 with welcome to Akra text and div of the h1 and form. Then inside the form will be 2 inputs for email and password, and div with checkbox and p tag with remember text and forget password link. And also sign in button and p tag with terms and condition text. And lastly, one more div with p tag with text or sign in and button. Now we need icon, so we are using Font Awesome. You can get the link in the description. Now we done the structure. Let's style. The container div width will be 100% and height will be 100. Viewport height, set the background light gray. Use flexbox to center the login div. In the large breakpoints, set the login width 1/3 or 33%, and in the 2x width will be 1/4 or 25%. Padding 10, set the background white, then center the h1. Set font size 3XL and font weight bold. Then set the vertical space between the h1 form and div 5 or 20 pixels. Set the h1 font XL and font weight semi-bold, and display the form elements vertical using flexbox. In the input, set outline 0 and vertical padding 2 or 8 pixels, horizontal padding 5 or 20 pixels, and background light gray. Display flex and justify between and item center, and also display flex the checkbox. Set the p tag and link text small. Set the link underline. In the sign in button, set 2 padding and background purple, and set the text XC and white, font weight bold, and set middle border radius and box shadow. In the hover, set the background dark purple. Set the p tag text center and padding bottom 5 and border bottom. And finally, we done this the result. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for you watching. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Thanks.